Ever wondered how to keep your canine companion calm during the loud and bright spectacle of New Year's Eve fireworks? The unfamiliar sounds, lights, and vibrations can be a source of stress for many dogs. So how do we help our furry friends navigate this annual event with ease? Step 1. Create a safe space. Dogs often find comfort in enclosed, den-like areas. A crate, a small room, or even a blanket fort can provide a sense of security. Make this space cozy with their favorite toys and blankets. Consider adding a piece of your clothing for a familiar scent. Step 2. Use calming aids. There's a wide range of products designed to help animals cope with stress. These include calming sprays with natural pheromones, anxiety wraps, and even specially designed music for dogs. Remember, different dogs respond to different methods. So, it might take some experimenting to find what works best for your pet. Step 3. Distract your dog. Engage them with a new toy or a delicious treat. This can help divert their attention from the noise outside. A puzzle toy filled with their favorite treat can keep them busy for a good while. Step 4. Minimize the noise and light. Close the curtains to dull the flashing lights and turn on the TV or some music. The familiar sounds can help mask the noise of the fireworks. Step 5. Stay calm and composed. Dogs are incredibly perceptive and can pick up on their humans' emotions. If you remain calm and act as if everything is normal, your dog is more likely to follow your lead. Step 6. Consult a professional. If your dog's fear of fireworks is severe, it might be time to consult a vet or a professional dog trainer. They can provide personalized advice and may recommend medications or behavior modification techniques. To summarize, helping your dog stay calm during fireworks involves creating a safe space, using calming aids, providing distractions, minimizing noise and light, maintaining your own composure, and seeking professional help if necessary. Remember, every dog is unique. What works for one may not work for another. The most important thing is to stay patient and understanding. With time and a little trial and error, you can help your furry friend navigate the New Year's Eve fireworks with ease. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide proves useful in ensuring a peaceful and enjoyable New Year's celebration for you and your canine companion. Until next time, keep those tails wagging and noses wet.